to get a like this. Yeah. You're gonna want to go out hunting. And the perfect spot is the living room. So we're always gonna find stuff like that. Hands up, Bubba. I think we knocked it out.